In this question, it is given that the torque of a force acting on a point, its position vector is also given about origin is. So just remember that torque is not F cross R. Torque is R vector cross F vector. Position vector cross F vector. You should not take it in the opposite sense. Means you should not do F cross R. The direction will change. So you can find out what about the value of R vector cross F vector. So you can write I, J, K. First the component of R, that is 3, 2 and 3. And the component of F, that is 2, minus 3 and 4. Now by using determinant method, we can find out the answer for it. This is I cap into, if it is selecting this column and row, so this we can take it as 2 into 4, that is 8 minus, this is 3 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 9. So it becomes plus 9 over here, minus j cap into, we can take this j and so we can eliminate this column and row. So 3 into 4, that is 12, minus 3 into 2, that is equal to 6, plus k cap into. Now if you are taking k cap, then we can eliminate this column and row, this column and row. So then we will multiply along this direction. That is 3 into minus 3, that is minus 9, minus 2 into 2, that is 4. So we can write this is 17 I cap minus 12 minus 6, that is 6. So this is minus 6 j cap and minus 13 k cap. So that will be the value of A vector cross B vector or R vector cross F vector. So it should be 17 I cap minus 6 j cap and minus 13 k cap. Over here it should be minus 13 k cap.